ever wondered what is the difference between a holographic gel polish and a reflective gel polish? While they are both beautiful gel polishes, they are actually very different. If you look closely at a holographic gel polish, you can actually see the colors of the rainbow. So they do give off different colors of the rainbow in their reflection. When it comes to reflective gel polishes, usually they just give off one single reflection color. And this one has multiple glitters in there, but it gives off one reflective color, which is usually white, especially under a flashlight. So now I'm just going to go ahead and swatch these two colors onto my finger so that you can see the beauty of each color. Here is an up-close look at the holographic gel polish, and if you move your finger around, you can actually see the rainbow moving around on your gel polish. Now I'm going to go ahead and swatch the reflective glitter gel polish onto my finger, and as you can see, you can already see the reflective white light coming off of that reflective gel polish. Here is an up-close look at that reflective gel polish, and you can see that it is giving off a white flash kind of light on to the nail. It is absolutely stunning. We're going to go ahead and do a quick nail set, and we're going to start off by applying Madame Glam's base gel to all of the nails and giving them a cure. I've picked out one additional gel polish, which is the Perfect White, and we're going to be using that for the nail art for this tutorial. I'm going to grab my nail art brush and we're going to do some swirl lines onto my nails, starting with the Perfect White gel polish. Once I have that on, I'm just going to clean it up just a little bit. Then we're going to move on to our second gel polish, which is the holographic gel polish. And we're going to apply this right next to that white gel polish. Finally, we are going to dip our brush into that reflective gel polish, and we're just going to add that to the opposite side of that white line and just fill it in to the top and stroke down. Essentially, we are creating the ultimate beautiful strawberry swirl nail art. Moving on to the other fingers, for my index finger as well as my pinky finger, we're going to dip back into that holographic gel polish, and we're just going to do a quick French smile line. Then we're dipping into the Perfect White, and we're outlining the rest of those two fingers. We'll give them a cure under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. To finish off this nail look, we are going to apply Madame Glam's Note Wipe Top Coat and give it a final cure for 30 seconds. Here is the finished look to this very simple and easy strawberry swirl nail art.